Die with Zero by Bill Perkins is a book that challenges conventional notions of retirement and financial planning. It offers a refreshing perspective on how we can lead more fulfilling lives and encourages us to strategically allocate our time and money resources to prioritize meaningful experiences and enriching moments throughout our lives. The central premise of the book is that instead of living a life of extreme frugality to accumulate wealth, we should aim to use our wealth to create unforgettable experiences and enjoy life to the fullest while we are still physically and mentally capable. These can be achieved through the following 5 core concepts discussed in the book. 1. Rethinking retirement and prioritizing experiences. Perkins urges readers to reconsider the traditional approach of saving for retirement by deferring life's pleasures. For instance, he suggests that individuals should not wait until their golden years to explore the world. Instead, they can embark on travel adventures at various stages of life, creating cherished memories and cultural insights along the way. 2. The time value of enjoyment. Central to Perkins' philosophy is the idea of the time value of enjoyment. Learning a new skill, such as playing a musical instrument, exemplifies this concept. By embracing this endeavor early in life, individuals can savor the joy of musical proficiency for decades, enhancing their overall life satisfaction. 3. Quantifying experiences and pursuing peak experiences. Perkins advises evaluating experiences based on their emotional significance rather than just their cost. Engaging in adrenaline-pumping activities, like skydiving or scuba diving, exemplifies this principle. These exhilarating moments, while they may have a price tag, offer priceless peak experiences that etch lifelong memories. 4. Strategic spending and building relationships. Strategic spending involves allocating resources to create a harmonious life. Prioritizing quality time with loved ones, such as planning family vacations or intimate reunions, exemplifies this concept. These experiences not only bring joy but also forge stronger bonds with family and friends, enhancing the overall quality of life. 5. Philanthropy and giving back for fulfillment. Perkins emphasizes that giving back to the community and supporting charitable causes can be immensely fulfilling. Contributing to the well-being of others, whether through volunteering or financial support, exemplifies this principle. Such acts not only benefit society but also instill a sense of purpose and satisfaction in individuals. Conclusion: in Die with Zero, Bill Perkins presents a compelling argument for a more balanced and enjoyable approach to life. By integrating examples within these core concepts, individuals can transform their financial decisions into a tool for maximizing life experiences, creating lasting memories, and fostering meaningful relationships. The book challenges the conventional wisdom of retirement planning and encourages readers to embrace a life filled with enriching moments from today onwards. Thank you for watching. If you found this summary helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more book summaries, financial insights, and life lessons. See you in the next video.